Hello friends, how are you doing today? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sheba Nyabuto and I hope you find something interesting in my channel. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime I upload a new video. You can also scroll through my channel to look at videos that are of interest to you, and I hope you find something interesting. For today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send a large file, either a video or a document or anything else that is large that you can't send through an email or you can't send through WhatsApp or any other means. So all you have to do is open your browser. I'm using Chrome, and then on your Google search type in WeTransfer. Okay, once that comes up, click on the first link, WeTransfer.com, and here are the instructions. Welcome back. Would you like to make this official? If yes, you can do that, but for me, I'm going to say no thanks. And then the first thing you do is either add a file or select a folder, and I'm going to choose one video on my desktop, my latest video. Okay, and drop it there. So I already have my one file here, and I'm assuming that I'm sending this to my friend. Okay, that is it. And then this is where I put my email. Okay, and the message, let's say, hey, check this. And then once you're done, all you have to do is click on transfer. Verification has been sent to my email. Okay, click on email. Check out the code 920699. Put the code there, verify, and once you verify, it begins transferring. You see? Once it's done, you'll get an email. I want to cancel this because I don't want to actually send this to her. And once it's done, you'll get an email that so and so your WeTransfer file has been successfully sent to so and so, and from there you'll be done. You only need to inform your recipient that you've sent the email so that he or she can open up the email and then click on a link. It comes with a link so that they can easily download, and that is it, as simple as that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful, and see you in the next video.